Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in only 2 months. This is one of the easiest way to reach this goal that nowadays many YouTubers are using. So follow this method and don't waste your time. The method that I'm gonna show you is Google Ads. Google Ads helps you show your channel to more people and your audience will find you sooner. This largely depends on how you target people, so you have to apply settings according to your channel. But before you start advertising, your channel must have a logo, banner, and at least 3 videos around 8 to 10 minutes for each video. When you have done this, you need to go to Google Ads and create a new campaign. In the next page, create a campaign without a goals guidance. In the next step, click Video Campaign, then Custom Video Campaign. Once you have done this, you have to name your campaign and set the amount of money you are going to spend. You need to pay at least $1,000 to get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. But don't worry, because this is a good investment for your channel. So now select the locations. Locations help you target your ads to people located in a geographic location. Then choose languages your customers speak. In this way, ads can be shown to people who understand your content. The next important part is demographics. With demographic targeting, you can reach people who are likely to be in demographic groups that you choose. The best way to find demographics information is to use your channel analysis section. In the next part, you will be asked where you want to display your ads. You can type your keywords or you can add placements to target specific locations. You can do this easily by selecting other videos or channels that are similar to your channel. Bidding section depends on your niche, but we choose an average of 5 cents. Maximum CPV bid is the highest amount you're willing to pay for someone to view your video ad. Now it's time to select your video. Most of the time I add my video as a video discovery ad. Type its headline and descriptions. All done. Now you can create your campaign and see its estimated performance in your Google Ads homepage. Thanks for watching and hope you found this useful.